Get one yet?
Yeah. Sorry.
Mi hanno accontentato. Sei andata a Gorizia?
It's so great that I don't have to put this in there.
You can edit it later.
The priest was wearing cool clothes and walking with 4 chicks.
That's your kind of priest, babe. That was really fun. What do you think?
Yeah, I enjoyed that.
I did too. It's a perfect way to start Rome. I'm so full. I can't even tell you how full I am. I haven't been this full in a long time.
I'm full, but I'm not.
But I feel like I'm glad we're
No,
walking.
like I wouldn't want to eat anymore,
No, me either.
but I'm not stuffed. So
You're
that's
not?
good.
I'm
Nope.
stuffed.
But that's good.
Yeah.
These police boxes are so cool. It's like Kansas City should take a
Not
lesson.
an ugly one in there. Not even close. I
Kansas City
haven't found
should
an
take
ugly
a-
police officer at all.
Take a page from that book. Yeah, it's like you gotta submit a headshot to get a cop.
Not kidding. He says, he comments on my stuff all the time, and he goes, I did Rome for 17 days, only did laundry twice. Enjoy. I'm like, maybe not even that.
I'm guessing that's a church. Let's go look.
It definitely is a church. You want to go in?
No. I said no, I don't want to go in.
It's really big.
I'll go in tomorrow. I want to go.
Non so bene, era mai vecchio perché era
So
just wanna
take a
see how
left. So.
How the kids' school was.
This is so cool. I'm surprised you just opened your phone. Do that at the roof.
Well, I didn't know
Not
if you
to
needed me
shame
to,
you or anything. I just
I
was
didn't know
like,
if you needed me to get the Google Maps.
oh my god.
Yeah, turn it off. Babe, we've been walking around this whole
I
time.
know, but it's just so cool. Like, and you're looking down instead of seeing it. Like, we just turned down this weird little alley, and I didn't know where it was going to go. It's amazing.
For 1 second here, that is not. I just like that 360 can capture the whole
They left and then right at that building.
I was gonna say right.
I think we were supposed to cut through there. We didn't. We took the other. We far. I'm pretty sure I do. What's the car behind you? There were two different ways to go out from that church, and I think they just converged back on each side of that.
Sure.
Yeah, it's all good. This is police here. We can
Take a picture.
funny. The stop button is like hard to
See, we gotta go
use.
right. We gotta go right.